Dogecoin price prediction reports claim that the crypto is about to break its US $1 resistance soon. Over the past couple of weeks, especially since Musk completed his Twitter deal, Dogecoin has been soaring. The volatile meme coin is now touted as a standout performer, rallying with over 150% profit and is creating more buzz in the crypto market than ever before. Despite the uncertainty around the bull run of other cryptocurrencies and the FTX drama, more and more investors are buying Dogecoin to ensure that they do not miss out on the profits that it will generate in the coming months. According to Dogecoin price prediction reports, a massive Dogecoin rally to US $1 is expected in the coming months. Even though the domino effect of the FTX crisis has made investors worry about the potential collapse of the crypto market, the Dogecoin price is making significant moves. Almost all analysts examining Dogecoin price prediction reports claim that Doge has a high potential to cross the pertinent US $1 barrier, but only if it continues to its current momentum. So in this video, we will discuss Dogecoin Price Prediction 2023. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. For those who don't know, what is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a decentralized open-source peer-to-peer digital cryptocurrency which is favored by Shiba Inu worldwide. It is an altcoin based on a meme, and the foundation of the coin is influenced by a joke. Dogecoin is different from the normal altcoins because of its amazing and vibrant community. The logo of the Shiba Inu dog, a breed of Japanese pet dog on the coin, sets it apart from the normal altcoins. But the operation of the cryptocurrency is very similar to other altcoins. The crypto was seemingly created as a joke to poke fun at Bitcoin, but it has grown to be a very popular and loved coin. Today, Dogecoin is no joke. It has blown up and gained more than 5,000% value in 2021, and then corrected by 80% in 2022. The token is one of the fastest growing coins, and it found its applications in transferring small amounts of money instantly with low trading fees. The fun and light-hearted cryptocurrency is one among the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. Let's see Dogecoin market position. Dogecoin's market capitalization is roughly $14 billion. Shiba Inu, the world's second largest meme coin by market capitalization, trails Dogecoin with a market capitalization of around $5 billion. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are beloved by many enthusiasts in the cryptocurrency space and tend to dominate social media feeds during euphoric times in the market. Dogecoin's growth is largely predicated on market sentiment. During extremely fearful times, Dogecoin underperforms. However, during euphoric times, Dogecoin has the potential to explode in popularity. When analyzing Dogecoin's market position, it's important to distinguish between market capitalization and price. Dogecoin's low price can be deceiving to new investors, causing them to inaccurately gauge Dogecoin's price potential. Market capitalization is calculated by multiplying the total circulating supply of coins by the current market price of a single coin. It measures the total value of a cryptocurrency on the open market and can be useful for determining growth potential. Doge price is roughly $0.10. Therefore, if Doge were to reach $1, investors would experience a return of approximately 10x. Under the right market conditions, this price is definitely achievable. However, it assumes that Dogecoin still remains relevant in the next bull run. However, if Doge price were to reach $10, Dogecoin would need to reach a whopping market value of $1.3 trillion. This value is more than the current market cap of the entire cryptocurrency industry. As a result, when making realistic price predictions, it's paramount to take into account market capitalization. Now let's discuss fundamental analysis. Following the massive success of Bitcoin, Dogecoin was launched in the December of 2013. In a mere 1 month, there were over 1 million visitors to the official website, which started with a price of $0.006 and now poses an ROI of 10,440.78%. Dogecoin was created by Billy Marcus, Oregon, and Jackson. It was introduced as a joke, but who knew it would become so significant in the crypto world? It is also used by retailers to receive payments from other authorized merchants. So, Dogecoin Price Prediction 2023. Over the course of time, Dogecoin's ecosystem has always been eventful. Doge started its journey at $8.69 E05 on 6 May 2015 and has pumped by 115,209.55% over the course of the past 7 years, 7 months, and 0 days. Below is the Dogecoin Price Prediction 2023 breakdown from January 2023 to December 2023. Dogecoin Price Prediction January 2023. Dogecoin's price for January 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.28 to $0.32, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.3. Dogecoin Price Prediction February 2023. Dogecoin's price for February 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.29 to $0.33, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.31. Dogecoin Price Prediction March 2023. Dogecoin's price for March 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.29 to $0.34, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.32. Dogecoin Price Prediction April 2023. Dogecoin's price for April 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.3 to $0.35, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.32. Dogecoin Price Prediction May 2023. Dogecoin's price for May 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.31 to $0.36, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.33. Dogecoin Price Prediction June 2023. Dogecoin's price for June 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.32 to $0.36, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.34. Dogecoin Price Prediction July 2023. Dogecoin's price for July 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.32 to $0.37, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.35. Dogecoin Price Prediction August 2023. Dogecoin's price for August 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.33 to $0.38, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.36. Dogecoin Price Prediction September 2023. Dogecoin's price for September 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.34 to $0.39, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.37. Dogecoin Price Prediction October 2023. Dogecoin's price for October 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.35 to $0.4, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.37. Dogecoin Price Prediction November 2023. Dogecoin's price for November 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.35 to $0.41, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.38. Dogecoin Price Prediction December 2023. Dogecoin's price for December 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.36 to $0.42, and the average price of Doge should be around $0.39. So, is Dogecoin a good investment? If you are a long-term investor and you think meme coins like Doge have a future, then it may be a good time to start building a Dogecoin position over the coming months. Dogecoin is an extremely risky investment opportunity with a potentially high payout. It is the largest meme coin, a top 10 crypto by market capitalization, and has one of the strongest social presences in the Web3 industry. However, given both the inherently volatile nature of cryptocurrency and the speculative nature of Dogecoin, prudent investors will only invest money they are willing to lose. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.